Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is up, guys? This is your boy Mekel Kasanova coming at you with another video, and this one's gonna be an unboxing, installation, as well as review of the OMOTON, the 9H premium tempered screen protector for the iPhone 7 Plus. And this one's supposed to be a full coverage screen. Now, I know before I had one from them, and it was supposed to be full coverage in the sense of it covers the entire screen and doesn't really just give you that, just the border outline, kind of like most of the screen protectors do. It is actually for the entire screen. Unfortunately with that, the previous one I had ended up breaking with me not even being able to remove it. So that was kind of frustrating. So contacted OMOTON. They decided to send me a replacement one as an apology, and wanted me to go ahead and try this one out. Now, just so you guys know, I was not paid to do this. This is something that I did get of my own desire. So let's go ahead and get this open, and then we'll take it from there and see what all's in here, and if you guys should invest in this company. Now, I am going to say that I've been a fan of a lot of their products, but after the debacle that was the previous one that they sent me for a full coverage one, and the Galaxy Note 7 ones, I kind of lost a little faith in the company, but this might restore my faith. Now, as you can see, when stuff wants to stop flying around, this is a full body one. So, and it's black, and it's seamless, so you won't be able to actually tell that there is anything on the screen. So other things you get in the box, we can go ahead and pop it open. It is a little concerning that this kind of was broken in the box, but hey, I'm not going to complain about it as long as the screen is fine. Alright. So, you got your OMOTON card, their whole thank you one. Pretty standard stuff. File it to the side. You got your cleaning wipes, your wipe down cloth, your 2 dust absorbers, and your installation instructions. Given that I'm so used to installing screens, I don't really need to read it. If you guys feel you might need to, go ahead. Now, I currently do have a screen on here, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. And the screen I've been had on here, this one is from Aestia. Now, they make some phenomenal screen protectors, but we're gonna see if OMOTON is gonna give us a home run and just change my perspective on that. Let's get a little extra light on here.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Don't mind that. That's my Bluetooth light speaker. I also don't mind the noise in the background. Again, live on a busy intersection. I'm gonna clean the screen up a little bit, get some dust and all that out. You guys can see. Go ahead and get this stabilized. There we go. Should be better. Alright. So you got the screen all cleaned up. I'm going to take one of the dust absorbers and peel off the big one. And basically make sure I get everything, because I am incredibly anal when it comes to fingerprints and other shit on my screens. I can't really deal with it. I want it perfect. So you can tell I had a little something on it. Not too much. I peel it down like that. I'll come back to that in a second. Then we're going to come back over here to the screen. Actually, I think I see a couple more smidges. It's kind of hard when the screen's black like this. I feel like there's a lot of dust and particles in the air. Alright, so that's clean. We're going to give this one more go. So I believe you peel it. I need to edge this out because this is already super tight on here. I don't want it to tear. Run my fingers around the edges. I can tell the adhesive is really strong. Now the concern I have is because of how strong this adhesive is, it might actually break the screen. So I've got to be super careful with this. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm actually going to tilt it here so you can see what I'm doing. Ain't it something that don't have nails? So I've got to basically potentially get this off the back without the screen cracking. And this is one thing about, basically all tempered glass screens. They're all very sensitive. So they can break very easily. But I'd rather it be a tempered glass screen than my actual phone breaking. Ah, god damn it. Come on off now. Get on off. Come on, there we go. There we go. Whew, that was some work right there. Alright. We got it off. Now I can shift back over here. Zoom in so you can see me install this. Let me get all this out the way. So, make sure the screen is clean. Basically, I'm just going to layer this right on over it. So I'm going to turn it sideways, line up the button, make sure y'all can see. Yep, I got it on perfectly. First try. As you guys can see right now, I'm trying to get this one dust particle out. It's being a real pain. get it out. So you see like there's something else wrong here. Okay. So far, so good. You really can't even tell that there's actually a glass screen on here. I'm gonna give this probably like 24 hours for the bubbles to come out. Maybe it just needs some time. I'm definitely gonna slap the case back on it. Actually, I may not need to. Probably shouldn't do that. But for the sake that I don't like having my phone naked, I'm gonna pop it on anyway. But actually, I think I might not, because I feel like the lip on this case is actually going to peel it up. So I'm going to forego that and just hope that it starts to self-adhere. But anyway, that is it for this video. So far, so good. My only complaints is how, that one part of it was really sticky. It could have broke the screen. It was really strongly adheres to here. But I'm glad I was able to get it off. So, other than that, this is probably my favorite screen protector. And I'm not just saying that either. I like the seamlessness of it, because if you're looking directly at it, you really can't even tell that there's a screen protector on there. So other than that, I like the seamless look. And if I had like a D brand or a slick wrap, I'd probably slap it on there too. I'm not really a fan of cases, but it's always better to have something than nothing. Protect your investment, because that's basically, I look at phones like that. They are investments regardless of how most people may look at it. It is. But, yep, I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to pick this up. I'm satisfied with it. That I was actually able to put it on. I'm really liking that just seamless look. Like, I really can't even tell that there's one on there. So, yeah. Go ahead and post your comments below. Tell me what you think. If you like this video and you want to see more, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Post your comments, and then share. If you did not like this video, well, stop watching it for one. You should have been stopped watching it quite a while ago. And yeah, tell other people to come and post their comments below and share and subscribe. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Really appreciate all your support for this channel and helping us grow. So stay crispy, stay clean, stay blessed. Deuces wild. Your boy's out. Have a good one.
Everybody drinks on me. Everybody in this bitch drink for free. Give me a whiskey double. A little bit of Jack is always trouble. And I'm feeling good, like a man with only to prove it read this wood. Next up, straight to the DJ. Tell him play whatever song that she say. Her body is a mystery.